everybody! It is MVP Kate here, and this time I got my beautiful Rubik's Cube in my hands. It is called a Megaminx, and I am gonna solve it for all of you tonight. Woohoo! Love Rubik's Cubes, and I sure love my puzzles. So, oh boy, I thought it was gonna be easy to do in the dark, but I guess I gotta do it in the light. So, without further ado, I gotta turn on the lights. Anyways. So, wait. Ah, much better, eh? Now, let's go. Alright. So here's a few fun facts about me. I've been solving the Rubik's Cube, or the first time I officially solved the Rubik's Cube, I was 14, turning 15 years old. It was like a month before I turned 15. Yeah, pretty much. It was around that time. And it has been one of my main hobbies as a teenager, but now it's more of a casual thing I just do for fun. And yeah, sometimes I just do it just to like show other people what I can do and whatever, you know. You know how sometimes you're like, you learn a skill and you get so proud of it that you want to show it off. Yeah, that's basically what I do now with the Rubik's Cube. Or just for fun, sometimes when I want to fidget and just play with something. That's another reason why I have it. It's just a fun little toy. Yeah. Anyhow, here's my next piece. And now you have to do the third layer. I already finished the second layer. Here's the first. Here's my piece. Okay. Okay. And now we got here. Here's this piece. Now I just put it down there and yeah, when I was in high school, this hobby and playing the piano were definitely one of my main things. helped me a lot during school to interact with others, because I'm a very socially awkward individual, so yeah, sometimes just sharing my hobbies helps me with social interactions as an autistic person, so yeah. Yeah, that's just a few things I gotta say. That, and I'm almost done. As you can see, okay, and where's the last, oh, here's the last piece. It's stuck in there, and now I just have to solve the top just like this and connect some pieces. So oh, perfect. This is exactly what I need. And now I just have to do it again. That's all connected. Okay, so now I just gotta find perfect. Now almost done. I don't want to mess this up. And 2 and 3. Boom! And solved in 7 minutes. Excellent. Or maybe I shouldn't say it's exactly 7 minutes, because it took me a bit to start this video, so it's probably like maybe like 6 or 5-6 minutes. I would say 6 minutes roughly. Yay! It's solved. Yeah. So anyways, that's pretty much it for my Megaminx. If anyone wants to see more Rubik's Cube videos, just let me know. Or I'll just do one anyways, because that's what I do and it's my passion. So, yeah. Peace out, folks.